Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you update to the latest Intel graphics software and how you can easily check important information such as your OpenCL version and other detailed graphics specifications. So as you can see, when I run Intel graphics software, it quickly detects the latest update available, and with a few clicks you can update to the newest version of Intel Arc graphics for both your processor and graphics card in seconds. So here you can see the installation interface on the screen. The process is very straightforward. Just click next few times and installation completes without any hassle. So installation is going to be finished just few options later, and you'll have the option to reboot your system, though it's entirely optional. So after updating, you can see detailed information about your graphics card, including clock speed, cache size, memory, and much more. So you'll get a complete overview of your CPU and its graphics unit. The Intel graphics software gives you essential information you need to know about your graphics hardware directly on your screen. So you can also go to support and about section to check the software updates and version details and to know more about it. Additionally, if you need to update other Intel driver software, you can do as I demonstrated in my previous video. The page will automatically detect your system and recommend the necessary updates. So you really only need these 3 steps to keep your drivers updated. Use Windows software and visit Intel support page, and third, use the Intel graphics software. So these are quick methods which help you stay updated without spending any money on third-party apps like driver booster and so on. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this information useful, and for more tips, tricks and tutorials, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.